streaming live at this moment. Now, Cabinet Secretary for Health Mutahi Kagwe has said that coronavirus infections have increased in schools, even though students have not shown any signs of being infected by the virus. Kagwe was speaking after a meeting with Tanzania's Health Cabinet Secretary Dorothy Gwajima at Afya House, Nairobi. Gwajima noted that Kenya and Tanzania will join hands in finding ways to curb the pandemic.
Barely a week after schools resumed in large numbers, for the first time after coronavirus pandemic outbreak, the number of infections has been rising day in, day out, with the Health Minister Mutahi Kagwe saying that the virus has increased, especially in schools, although no student has shown the signs of being infected by the virus.
As we all know, we are headed to 1.5 years since the pandemic started. Despite putting up stringent measures to contain the disease, it has continued to ravage our countries, forcing us to rethink of how we conduct our day-to-day activity.
Many Kenyans have been boycotting the corona vaccine, including some teachers, a move that has put the country at risk while fighting the corona pandemic. Health Minister Mutahi Kagwe stressed that all teachers should receive the corona vaccine which is currently available.
As such, it is necessary to evaluate the containment measures that affect trade between our two nations.
Kagwe said this after a meeting with Tanzania Health Minister Dorothy Gwajima, who visited the country today to discuss strategies on how Kenya and Tanzania will fight the spread of the virus, and also to benchmark on how the country is dealing with the deadly virus.
Tuendelee kuzitazama. Kwa hili la COVID umesema vizuri. Ni tatizo la kidunia, tatizo la Afrika Mashariki na tatizo la nchi moja moja ambazo zinaishi pamoja. Lazima tuangalie namna gani halitatudhuru sana, maisha yaendelee, uchumi uendelee, ustawi wa jamii uendelee, kwa kuweka makubaliano yanayotufanya wote tuwe na amani kama watu tunaoishi kwenye eneo moja.
This visit is happening against that backdrop of the dilapidating COVID-19 pandemic that has affected the world and also our two nations.
After the meeting at Afya House, the Health Chief Administrative Secretary Dr. Mercy Mwangangi accompanied Gwajima to Kenyatta University Referral Hospital, where they inspected the hospital's response to the pandemic. Since the emergence of COVID-19 pandemic, Kenya's relationship with Tanzania had deteriorated, but after President Samia Suluhu took office, the two countries have since united and started working together. George Mapesa, KUTV.